Let me now play the voice note. This Nedu the craze too. Oh boy, Nedu, I never knew this part about you. I bet you know be only my ear go hear up.
And also, I'm also thinking, this is between me and you though. This Abuja own, if you ask me, I think we should just leave this Abuja own, do Lagos, and then come straight and do London. Then start thinking of other cities where we'll get Nigerians. I believe if we do in South Africa next, apart from London, it will give us a lot of money, because I have a lot of Yahoo boys and drug guys that are waiting for me to come to South Africa, and even Turkey and even Morocco. They can die for me to come there. So those are the places that we need to get monies that we need to push this
Did
thing.
you hear him? Yes. Let's listen.
Billboards, I don't want to talk about it now. I'm going to talk to Sarah immediately I get off this call, and I'll find out why the billboards are not. Because me personally, I've been waiting to see the billboards. I have not seen it. The celebrities, Sarah keeps telling me, oh, there's a timeline for this, there's a timeline for this, there's a timeline for this. Oh, according to the calendar.
This voice note came after they have given Nedu money. They were not asking him that where is the people, where is celebrity? He now sent this voice note that is wondering why Sarah have not put up the billboard.
Well, I don't know. I don't have issues with anybody. I should do it so. I don't have issue with anybody. And the perfect example of follow this with all men. That is who I am. Before now, you not get anybody will pick on Obama and take us they do to me this one, they do to me that one. I just a platform. They talk. Doing my job. Maybe a guest must have said something that offended you, or some statements would have offended you. Or that would have been something that you would have even personally reached out to me. Everybody that is on this case dragging, let me get it straight. Let me set the record straight. I have no issues with anyone with that. Till now, I'm not holding grudges against anybody. So, no, people say, well, I mean, the problem might go. Thank you so much.
Hey, my loves. Guys, it may seem as though that this wash between Very Dark Man and Nedu is not ending anytime soon, because now there is a claim of audios there about the 60 million naira allegedly fraud from Nedu after people sponsored to, help some certain people in Nigeria. So now Nedu came out to debunk that is not his voice. And now you know that in this recent era, anything can happen. AI can generate voices of people and all of that. So he was denying it, that made him to play those audios. And this came after his lawyer, which is Nedu's lawyer, sent a Very Dark Man message that they have filed a case in court for defamation of character. All the allegations, if you guys can remember what happened before this issue. Guys, the allegation started with how Very Dark Man was saying that they do as if they sent him list of names of the ladies he has, had things with. So, as if that one was not enough, I think Jojo was another content creator, maybe TikToker, that was involved in the list of names and all of that got the internet buzzing, that she even had to, give, she was given opportunity to have a conversation with Very Dark Man to clear the air, that people will not, take her efforts for granted and give it the glory to Nedu based on say her name was mentioned on the list. Do you understand? So then that one was not enough also. He also accused Nedu Wazobia allegedly of a 60 million naira mismanagement that was sent to them by an NGO, to take care of some funds down here in Nigeria. So if you listen to the audios, you will see where he was talking about all those G guys and then the drug thing. So I was like, waiting there occur. What is happening? What is happening? And this thing also led to Nedu Wazobia actually resigning from the honest brunch that he has been doing on YouTube. Do you understand? And I don't know why he took that bold step till today to, come out from the brand. Do you understand? It's getting messier. Let me just use the word. So this King Michi lady, she came out and wrote something which Very Dark Man also brought out how Nedu, also, tried to harass her just to do his kid with her. Do you understand that that's what he does for people to show? And in case you don't know who Michi is, this is Michi. She's the lady that always help people and post the videos on Instagram. She's doing a wonderful job on Instagram because I follow usually look at her videos most times. So she says something about you can read all those things through my screen because those are the information that will give you about me. Do you understand? So Tunde Ednot wrote something. He wrote, "All of us know your voice. You can't do voice notes. Like you're blaming AI." In the word he used, it's more like, why are you blaming AI that they use AI in your voice? Does AI stammer too? Stuff like that. And then Very Dark Man came under the comment section and wrote this. Do you get? So, and I feel like maybe there is a reserved beef from Tunde, or maybe Nedu also maybe allegedly betrayed him too. Do you understand? So, guys, what do you actually think that is going on? Do you think this thing is ending anytime soon? Because that's the gist I brought for you guys. So, it seems they've started the court case under this issue. It is well. I'll be back.